guys, we're back. In this video, I'm going to have some Facetime for the first time ever. Really, first time having Facetime. And we are going to be watching YouTube. Yeah. We're going to watch some YouTube. Sorry, I just ate. We are not going to watch my videos. We're going to go to my fan, my best friend. But please subscribe to me. I'll show you my channel. Well, this is his. He has 208 subscribers. Oh. Yeah. He is my favorite YouTuber. And look, he also put me as related channels. See? Yeah. He has a lot of that. Okay. Now mine, search up there we go, Christopher Magana. Mine will pop up right here, Green Dragon Gaming. By the way, my name is Noah Magana though. Okay. This video, complete fail. Literally, complete fail. I did not know how to do screencast, and that was like, I don't know, a lot of months ago. Yeah, so, yeah, a lot of months. Okay, so, you want to watch one of my videos? Let's watch one of my videos in my form. Discussion. And guys, just type in discussion what you want my videos to be like. And there we go. It will possibly be like that. I can play Minecraft. And I can play Roblox. And that's all I play. I also watch YouTube videos. This is my first time doing a YouTube video on YouTube, making a YouTube video. Yeah. And right now, let's go watch this one. Yeah, let's watch this. Yeah, I had that one. That thing.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to be joined by Nightwolf 2000.
Nightwolf is Blue Dragon Gaming, okay?
There's a new map.
So I'll only watch one video, and then we are going to be, I think we don't have enough time for one video, because then that would be 13 minutes.
Yeah.
So we're going to slightly make it to like right here.
If you want to see my Minecraft videos, just go to his channel. It's going to be down below.
We'll finish it
It's going to be
on
my channel.
the weekend, hopefully. Don't listen to the background.
And also subscribe to me, my channel. My channel is, I don't know how to get into the game. No, I don't know how to get out of this thing.
Yeah, this is where I make YouTube videos all the time, right in this one spot. I talk to my friends. I do all kinds of cool stuff.
Wait, I'm going to pause the video, guys. Okay, there, I'm back, guys. I don't know. Wait, guys, I'm going to pause the video until I'm into the game, okay? Okay, guys, we're back, and we are into the game.
Just pop, I'm in.
Oh my gosh!
On Minecraft, my username is Green Dragon.
Okay, so...
Oh, wait.
What team are you on?
Oh, there he is.
I see you! I see you! Look behind you! Look behind you! Suck!
Like,
Wait, are we on the same team?
and I hope you like my intro a lot. Oh my gosh, my friend.
Are we on the same team?
By the way, I hardly get likes. Can you please like my videos? I did this because I have a lot of subscribers.
Wait, are we on the same team though? Yeah. course we are, because we're friends. Okay. Go around. Oh my gosh! Let's die. Wait, I think I see you. You are? I can't see you. You're not behind me.
Okay,
Oh my gosh!
so guys,
From like a mile away.
yeah guys, we're gonna end the video right here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that subscribe button. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys. Dragon out.